No, I don't. I don't. I don't. I don't.
C'è una luna in mezzo mare, mamma mia, mamma di figlia mia, che da dare, mamma mia, pensaccia tu. Se te vedo pesciaiole, issu va, issu vena, se volo pesce a maratena. Se ci ingappa la fantasia dei pescioli a vecchiuzza mia.
Mikey, pass that peppermint schnapps.
Tommy, we're on the air. What? We're on the air.
Oh,
hey,
we're on. Sorry about that.
Peppermint schnapps.
It is. It's, tell you what a beautiful day.
You know something? You're 100% right. This is absolutely... I'm meeting more people today than I have seen in years.
Frankie Rizzo. Frankie
How
you
Rizzo.
doing? Yeah, I haven't seen Frankie's been homeless, 4 years now?
4. Yeah, it's about 4.5, I think.
I can't believe the way the mayor decorated the street. It looks great down
This
here.
is unbelievable.
Yeah.
Look at this. Well, here we are. This is the second annual Sicilian Corner New Year's Eve Parade. We are on the reviewing stand in front of the W.T. Grant Company right on Essex Street in beautiful downtown Lawrence. Mikey, boy, look at this. This is amazing.
Last year we froze. This year it's
beautiful.
45, 46 degrees. There's no reason why we can't have record-breaking crowds
You got to
today.
say something to the crowd out here. Everyone, great crowd out
Look
here.
at this crowd. I see people here that I haven't seen in years. Look at that. Hey, they're waving. I'm waving to them. Hi, yeah, thank you very much.
Who's that lady? I know her.
You notice they're clapping for me?
Yeah, what?
Yeah, that's
what are
okay.
they doing?
No, please, no, please. Please, that's okay. I love you, too. I love you all, too.
You have quite an imagination today, huh? No, this is good. I like this.
I think we should get started. Can we get started, Louis?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, I think what we need
Are we
to
in communication with the first event?
Yeah, I think what we need to do...
The Cardinal got delayed. He's in a snowstorm at Franconia Notch. he was supposed to be down here today.
Cardinal is not here, but on the reviewing stand with us right now is Jeff. We asked Jeff Shank. Jeff flew down from the... they flew him down from the studio. Right?
Yeah.
And he's on the
What a
reviewing stand
helicopter
with
ride. I got to tell you, that was incredible. That helicopter is just incredible.
Then we have another special guest with us. The one, the only Mr. Bruce Arnold is with us.
What a period.
Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame.
Isn't this unbelievable? Can you believe this crowd?
Pardon?
Bruce, you can snuggle up to me, if you want me to warm you. No, seriously, if you want me to warm you, I'm right here next
Give
to
me
you.
some snots, I'll snuggle up to you.
He made me do that last year. I'm not
Would
doing
you
that.
please? Thank you, Jeffrey.
All right, I think before we begin this... Crowd, can you listen for a second?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you very much.
We don't want to quiet them down. They're having fun.
Yeah, really.
I think before we start the parade, since the Cardinal could not be here, Mikey took it upon himself, with Louis' help, to track down somebody else who's going to give the opening invocation. And actually...
Well, he's in the toll booth by South Union Street, so it wasn't too hard.
We don't have a toll booth in South Union.
First parade in history with a toll.
Okay.
decided to do
We
it.
were able to track down Pete from Plastow,
Come on.
the world's greatest
Toll
toll
collector.
who is going to give the
Do I hear a dog?
What are you doing, Pete?
Pete, are you there?
Is that a dog?
How you doing, ma'am? Yeah, that's $1.50, please. Thank you.
How much do you get?
You dropped the quarter, man. It's all right. I'll take care of that later. Thank you. You have a nice New Year.
How much do you get for a 6-axle float? What's the
Hey,
rate for
fellas, how
that?
you doing this morning?
Doing quite well, thank you.
Pete, we want to take this. This is just an absolutely incredible day, and we know that we have to take you. You're in the toll booth up at the Hampton Toll in Route 95.
I work till 6 today. Lucky me.
So we've asked you to do the opening invocation because Cardinal Cushing got stuck. Where was he, Louis?
Whoa. Yeah.
Franconia
Hold
Notch.
on, let me red light my booth if I got to do this. Hold on. All right. All right, I'm all yours.
You know, the Cardinal's probably in that line at your booth.
Yeah.
Can we,
They're pulling over the door. Over there. No, that's easy pass. Easy pass. All right, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
all right, Pete. We're going to quiet the crowd, and we'd like your blessing on this great, wonderful parade.
Nice.
All right, good morning and God bless. Heavenly Father, please bless the phone. Bless everyone from the corner of Essex Street, Carmen Street to Union Street, Union Street to Essex Street, back up Essex Street to Newbury Street, over to Garden Street. And God, please bless all the members a finished tour room that they may be able to walk from Union Street to South Broadway without being stopped at any law enforcement officers.
Very good.
Please bless everybody in the Pleasant Valley, better known as Sicilian Exploit Valley. And please, God, bless the Notre Dame football team for a win or cover the 3 points. God bless.
Pete, thank you so much.
Amen.
Have a nice day, fellas.
Take care. Pete,
All right, folks. We're back open.
all right. Now, before we start the parade, traditionally we do our national anthem. Lewis, the national anthem.
All right, here we go. The national anthem.
Look at that. Did you see that flyover? Brucey, did you see that? You haven't seen a flyover like that since Lindbergh.
No.
My God.
I remember that.
That
one,
was
too.
the
Was that the Green Mountain?
158th Fighter Wing. Yeah, the Green Mountain Boys from Vermont.
Wow.
What an
That's
unbelievable.
where I went Wednesday night to nail
How
those
did that,
guys
how
down.
did that thing get down Essex Street?
Can you see the controller over at the Lawrence Airport now?
Jeffrey, what did you think
They're
of that?
going to buzz the
flyover?
tower. Yeah.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Well, listen, it looks like the parade is ready to begin.
Yep.
What's that coming up towards us?
You got a band coming.
Oh,
Hey,
no,
you guys
it's
got the
not.
list. Who's the
Hold on
band?
a second. I have to identify them. They're walking towards us. Look at this. Look at those flags.
Wow.
Looks like the White Eagle. The White Eagles?
Yep. That's
So,
exactly
hold
who
on.
it is.
They come. The White Eagles Drum and Bugle Corps.
They look sharp. Look at that, will you, Jeff?
Hawaiian team.
Wow,
Grass skirts.
I've never seen a drum and bugle corps with trombones and
Yep.
trumpets.
That's right.
Well, we had to have them added.
Shut me off.
They're still fighting, Jeff.
Yeah, I know. Fighting over schnapp.
Hold on, here they come. They sound pretty good.
Yeah, very good.
How many members?
This is 34 members,
Wow, that's a big sound for 34 members.
led by
Wow.
Sal de Benedinis.
Oh, Sal.
Sal is leading them. Sal, how are you, Sal?
Hey, hey, Sal.
Sal looks good. He's not looking up this way, though. He's just looking straight ahead.
Look at this, right up Essex Street.
Serious stuff.
I like it. What do you think, Jeff?
What are they playing? I don't know.
It's the Sicilian Corner theme.
Oh,
Is that what that is?
You know who's marching
You know what?
alongside him? Nelson Mariano.
Come on.
He's keeping them in step.
You know what? For 34 people, they're just stringing this out. It's taking a long time to march by.
Nelson's wearing his Lawrence High jersey.
I see that.
Yeah, look at that.
All right, well, here comes our first float. Let's see if I can identify it.
Yeah.
This is the Havel Beef float.
Oh, Peter.
Our friend, Peter Carboni, and his lovely wife, Monica.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at this. They're on this beautiful float. What do they do? They're throwing lollipop lamb chops to the crowd. Peter is bundled up in what looks to be a lamb's wool sweater that says Mikey Lamazzo, president on the front, and New Zealand Land Council in the back. Mikey boy was very, very
That was,
nice.
you know something? That was very nice of them to do that.
That's original.
Look at this float. This float is decorated with fresh.
Big over there?
No, look at this float is decorated with fresh Chandler's Reserve Delmonicals all over it.
Got a horse there, too.
It's got a,
It's pulling the float along.
got a
that's
nice
right, yeah.
scented wood chip rub. As a matter of fact, the back of the float has Merry Christmas written on it in the forms of sausage links. Very
And
simple.
bratwurst. See the
Peter.
bratwurst?
That's original. Another pig.
Look at that float. That's a Havel beef float.
They did a nice job on that. And you
Hi,
know how
Peter.
busy the holidays
Look at
are.
Peter waving.
Peter.
Hey, Peter.
Hey.
Peter looks good. Look at the crowd seems to like it.
There they go.
There's another.
We have another float coming down, coming real close
That was
to us
lovely.
now.
What a nice start.
Hold on, what is that float?
There's a whole bunch of dogs following the Havel Beef.
Come on,
I
is
don't
that
know what's
right?
going on there.
Mikey, what do we got there?
Tommy, this float has been getting a great deal of attention as it's getting closer and closer to our stand.
What is it?
This float is the Lawrence Theater Row float. The Lawrence Theater Row float. It's
Theater
the
Row.
biggest float in this
Theater
year's
Row, yeah.
Sicilian Corner New Year's Eve parade at 55 feet 3
Look at
inches.
the size of that
wow.
thing.
She's that big.
In staying with the Sicilian Corner request for all parade floats to think green, this float is being pulled by
What?
Dudley. As you know, Dudley is the MGM Lion mascot. Theater using the mascot, I think it's absolutely
That's
phenomenal.
unbelievable.
Listen,
This
the
is
kids
the
are getting a little
first.
concerned. Tommy, let me just address the kids. Can we put this up so it can come over the PA system?
All right, kids, listen up.
Don't worry, kids.
Hold on.
Dudley had a big breakfast
That's
this
a lion,
morning.
man.
Huh?
That's a lion.
Yeah.
So that's the MGM lion you brought. They brought him.
Yeah.
You got to be kidding
No,
me.
and he's actually pulling this float. Because remember we asked everybody to stay green, so we're trying to save the environment.
Excellent.
Watch out. Watch out, kids.
All the theaters have their beautiful marquees on this float, and I can also see a representative from Ripley's, believe it or not.
Oh, God.
He just told the owners of the Astor, the Modern, the Broadway, and the Palace Theater that they would all be included in the latest edition of Ripley's Believe It or Not. Nowhere in the world are there 4 theaters
Right.
that abut each other like we do here in the city of Lawrence,
You're
right
right.
on Broadway. Reaching 55 feet stem to stern, this float is adorned with South African straw flowers with their rust and yellow colors.
What kind said what? South African who?
Can you repeat that, Mikey boy?
South African straw flowers. And these magnificent
Where do
straw
you get
flowers.
those in New England in January?
Well, you know, Sam
Chelsea.
Branco went out of his way, Branco Florist, and he's providing these at no additional charge and has this float absolutely decorated.
Man.
Look at all the marquees we have, Tommy. The Astor, the Broadway, Central, Capitol, Modern, the Palace. The Palace Theater. I love that theater.
Oh, wait a minute. I have a question for you as this float is going by. The Central is kind of getting screwed because they're really not part of Theater Row. As a
No.
matter of fact, the Warner's getting screwed too.
But they're on here, Tommy. You didn't give me a chance to say it.
Oh,
The
I'm
Warner's up there. The Premiere is on there. And I also see 4 ushers. And they're dressed in their cute little usher uniforms and looking proud.
Cute.
I have their names somewhere here in
They
my
can still
notes.
fit in those things?
Yeah, I have their names somewhere. Oh, there it is. There's Billy Manzi,
Oh, come on. That's
Mikey
Billy?
Sullivan,
Come on.
Jimmy Ferrantini,
Look at that, would you?
and Tommy Menino, all waving to the crowd.
Dressed as ushers. I like that.
Tommy
you
got out
can-
of the hospital and didn't
You
you
can
see
tell
he was
that,
operated
that's
on,
right.
you
You
know.
can tell that these 4 ushers love people. Let me add that Dudley is a real crowd pleaser, and he is constantly saying hi to the crowd.
Yeah, as he's. Hold on. He just ate a little kid.
No, wait a minute.
There we go.
He does seem to be spending a great deal of time looking at that teenager who has his hat on backwards and seems to be losing his pants.
Go get him. Go get him, Dudley.
Dudley keeps looking at him almost like he knows him. I wonder if Dudley is getting a cold as he seems to be drooling a little bit. I would like to add that this year's 2011 New Year's Eve Day Parade is being sponsored by the Sicilian Corner Radio Show. It airs every Friday from 11 to 1 o'clock on 11:10 a.m. and is being seen by millions on television worldwide in more than 200 international territories and countries. Unfortunately, because of the 25-mile federal blackout laws here in the Merrimack Valley, we're not able to view this in the comfort of their home. So a lot of people are here today in this 46
Listen to that.
degree.
This crowd is amazing.
This float is amazing.
Hey, one more thing about the Theater Row, the Warner
Tommy,
Theater.
Dudley is waving at you now. I think he likes you.
Mikey, keep him away from me.
He
Keep
likes
him away from me.
Well, I know you don't like dogs, but this is a lion.
One thing about the Warner Theater, there's a new movie there that I want to go see. Ben-Hur. I want to check that out. I want to check that
Wants
out.
to see
All right, let's do
Ben.
this. We're going to take a break. We are sitting on the reviewing stand in front of the W.T. Grant. It's Mikey Boy,
gotta rent
Louie
the
Boy, Jeff, Bruce, and a crowd of thousands.
You.
Hang in there, and we'll be right back.
Ciao, this is Esther of You, Me, and Sicily. I want to talk to you about Tommy Amin and the great staff at Butcher Boy Market. Families, foodies, and home chefs come together at Butcher Boy to talk good food and create traditions. They offer the best in quality cuts of beef, pork, lamb, poultry, and restaurant-style steaks and chops. Produce? All of their produce is hand-selected to complement any meal or even to make it your main course. Their deli serves fresh roast beef, turkey, and beautiful imported Italian cold cuts, cheeses, and antipasto. And don't forget the Butcher Boy Bakery, featuring sweet delectables from all over the state, as well as their very own bakery. That's Butcher Boy, where the secret to a great steak is, of course, the steak. Located at 1077 Osgood Street in North Andover, Massachusetts, in the Butcher Boy Plaza. Ciao!
This is Tom Zappala. Located in the heart of downtown Haverhill, the Haverhill Beef Company is a full-service, old-fashioned butcher shop and meat market that continues to be a valued family tradition since 1952. Peter and Monica Carboni's Haverhill Beef offers individualized service from an outstanding selection of marinated sirloin tips, homemade sausage, marinated chicken, and thick, juicy Chairman Reserve steaks. Your family deserves the best, so call Peter at 978-374-4795 or visit their website at www.haverhillbeef.com.
When you dine at Ristorante Melisse in Amesbury, Massachusetts, you feel at home while enjoying an authentic Italian dining experience not to be forgotten. From the appetizer to dessert, you won't regret your choice. Bring your cravings and appetites. They promise you won't leave hungry or without leftovers for the next day. Takeout and catering are also available. Give them a call or visit them online for the menu, online ordering, and reservations. RistoranteMelisse.com. That's RistoranteMolise.com or call 978-388-4844. Ristorante Melisse, where you're treated like family. Legacy Care Law Firm provides estate planning and elder law services to people in the greater Merrimack Valley and southern New Hampshire areas with offices in North Andover and Woburn, Massachusetts, as well as Nashua and Salem, New Hampshire. Discussing family and financial matters with an attorney can be intimidating, but our goal is to help you prepare for the future as you preserve your legacy. We help clients qualify for government medical benefits and ensure their estates are preserved for their families so they don't need to worry about their estate being wiped out by high nursing home expenses. Legacy Care Law Firm attorneys are here to support your journey toward a more secure financial future.
At Catadella Funeral Home, we reinvest in our business to provide your family with the best facilities. It begins with a beautifully landscaped exterior, parking for 250 vehicles, and a comfortable and inviting access to our renovated interior. Funerals can be costly, so you should review and compare plans to make sure you receive services that are fairly priced. I invite you to experience the Catadella difference in cost, facility, and service.
Catadella's honoring and celebrating the lives of the people we loved, providing exceptional care since 1929.
Italian artisan cuisine combines simple, fresh ingredients with time-honored preparation to create an incredible culinary experience. At Tuscan Kitchen, located in Salem's historic Depot District, talented chefs prepare everything in-house from scratch for all to see. Guests enjoy their meal literally in our kitchen as food is prepared right in front of you. Wood ovens burn from morning till night, roasting vegetables, baking bread, and firing delightful thin-crust pizzas. Prime steaks are seared on a wood grill. A rotisserie slowly roasts marinated whole chickens and lamb, while a pasta maker creates fresh fettuccine. More than just artisan cuisine, Tuscan Kitchen features the wine bar, live entertainment, weekly wine tastings, and elegant private dining and event space. Call 603-952-4875 or visit TuscanKitchen.com to make a reservation and learn more about the culinary adventure that awaits. In Italy, cooking is an art form. Tuscan Kitchen. Experience artisan Italian.
Orthopedics Northeast and Essex Orthopedics have joined forces as Mobility Bone and Joint Institute to bring improved access and outstanding medical care. While our name has changed, our dedication to exceptional care remains the same as it has for the past 30 years. Same location, 16 Pelham Road, Salem, New Hampshire.
This is Cindy.
And Mike Kunstler.
Owners and operators of Four Oaks Country Club and Grazie Italian Restaurant in Drake, Massachusetts.
Grazie Italian Restaurant is the hidden gem of the Merrimack Valley.
Why is that?
We have an incredible chef, Oscar Figueroa.
In the words of local famous chef and restaurant owner Lydia Shire,
Oscar thrives on hard work.
he is capable and gifted.
No one makes better food. Scallops, seared to perfection.
House-made ravioli with farm-fresh local corn.
And buttery, tender, lazy man's lobster, just to name a few.
You have to come experience Grazie Italian Restaurant for yourself.
Grazie Italian Restaurant, located at Four Oaks Country Club, 80 Meadow Creek Drive in Drake, Massachusetts. Hope to see you soon.
Wow, this is unbelievable.
No,
What a
this is
blast.
special. This is
I'll
special.
tell you what, then I'm not even. I'm taking my coat off.
This is bonus
This is
weather
just-
for
no,
us.
great
Let me tell
weather.
you, after last year, we froze last year.
And think of all the money we spent on the retractable dome for Essex Street.
Yeah.
I mean,
This is
what a
amazing.
waste this year.
You know something real quickly? I just want to mention. Remember, we had the Farmers Almanac people on with us.
Yes.
And we inquired as to what the weather was going
Yeah.
to be like on the 31st of December.
And they said-
she turned around and said the weather will be between 40 and 48 degrees
hit it on the
here
nose.
in Lawrence.
Get on, brother. Right on.
And that's why we have so many flowers.
The helicopter back?
What's that?
What is this?
Just
Who's
dignitaries coming in and out. That's all.
Wow.
It's the only way to get them in. The place of the town is like gridlock.
Hey, Tom and Lou, look at this. I haven't seen this guy in years. Mr. Peanut.
Mr. Peanut.
And he's
Oh.
passing out peanuts.
What
He's throwing them
memories
all
with
over the
Mr.
place.
Now,
Isn't
who's
this
Mr.
wonderful?
Peanut with? Who does he work for?
Well, once I went to
Planters.
Kennedy. Planters.
Those are Planters peanuts he's
Yeah.
passing out. Those are Look at the kids. They're going bananas.
Wow.
Where was he when I had the elephants all week? I could have used him.
Hold on, Mr. Peanut. Can you come? Can
No,
we get some
he's
peanuts?
busy.
You know something? With that uniform, Tom, I don't think he'd be able
It
to
goes
talk
with
to
the
you.
schnapps, though, man. It goes
Yeah.
with the schnapps.
And here's another character we haven't seen is Louis Pearl.
Louis Pearl.
Oh,
Hey.
So we have
God.
peanuts, we have popcorn, we got the crowd, we got the weather. This is exciting.
Wow.
Oh, let's see now. There's another float coming up the street.
What do you have, Tom? Can you make it out?
This looks like the Bees Sandwich Shop float.
My God, and there's Dick and Soli there, too.
There we go. Here comes the Bees Sandwich Shop
Wow.
float. Beautiful. It's shaped like a giant veal cutlet. Louis, that can't be real sauce. Is that real sauce?
course
on
it's
it?
sauce.
And their famous sauce sandwich.
Remember the sauce sandwiches there?
The guy in the
When
float.
you didn't have much money, that's what you got.
Wait a
That's
second.
it,
How
sauce
did you
sandwich.
establish what kind of cutlet it is?
Well, the
Because
guy,
it never
the guy in
said.
the float he's bathing in it. He's bathing in the sauce.
Not really, no.
Wow, that's actually it's a nice touch.
The cutlet never said pork or veal. It
Wait a
always
minute,
says
what is that?
cutlet sandwich. That's all.
There's a picture of me and Shirley Smeestas.
In the sauce?
Yeah,
Really?
right over the sauce,
Yeah.
diving into a cutlet sandwich.
No kidding.
I haven't seen her in years.
She looks great, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, Shirley nice.
She had a nice outfit.
Now, they were
Bees.
twins, weren't they?
Well, those were the Smeestas sisters.
Oh, they were twins.
No, they weren't twins.
Oh, okay.
No?
Shirley and I used to go to Beast. You know, Shirley, if you're listening, let's hook up and.
I
we'll
think
go
we
to
all
Beast
went
together.
to Bees.
They had a
We all
3-week
went to
run
Bees.
as a spin-off of Laverne and Shirley back
Imagine
in
that.
back
Yeah.
in the 80s, but
Yeah.
show didn't last.
No.
As the Beast float is moving off, Tommy, we have a new float moving in right underneath us.
Hold on. Let me see if I can make that out. There's a big crutch. Guy with a crutch in front of it.
With a clutch?
No, that's not a crutch.
What is
What's
that?
that?
Yeah, I think that's just a logo.
Look at
We
this.
have the Essex.
It's a logo.
We have the Essex
Look at
Orthopedics
this. This is
float.
spectacular.
Oh, my
Look at
God.
this thing.
What a big one, too.
This year's theme
Yeah.
is famous joints in Boston. Talk about a play on words.
The
famous joints in
Loving
Boston.
it.
You mean
Essex
like
or-
the Purple Onion or Cheers or something
Dr.
like that?
Honda does have a sense of humor. We thought he was just straight.
Excellent.
Joints.
The Essex Orthopedics float.
We're talking about athletic joints here, made complete from shredded scrubs. The
nice.
Essex Ortho
Love
float shows 8-foot-high replicas of Bobby Orr's knee,
Wow.
Tom Brady's knee, and Wes Welker's knee.
And look, Dr. Tom's fixing Bobby Orr's knee.
I see that, and he's waving to the crowd while he's doing it. And Louis, look at that. What's come out of Bobby Orr's knee?
Let me grab one of these. What are they?
Toy tendons.
Candy
Toy
tendons.
tendons.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
Kids are going to love that.
Oh, the kids are scrambling for these treats, Tommy. Look at the crowd. Now the police department's having a hard
Dr.
time
Honda,
pushing
can you
it
hear
back.
me? You're
What?
not right.
Now there's also, Louis, I think I see a video screen,
Yeah, there's a big screen video on the float.
and I don't believe it. Tommy, that's Dr. Tom Horner operating on your knee on that big screen. Oh, look, he's starting the procedure. Oh, he's done.
Oh,
A record time has been set.
was major
A record
surgery.
time has been set.
That was major
knee
surgery.
Knee surgery in 10 seconds. Go figure.
That was major surgery.
Dr. Tom is waving to us.
Jeez, did he give you a lollipop for that?
Yeah, they put a Band-Aid on it.
Bye, Doctor. Nice. Thank you for
Dr. Tom.
Good guy. There they go.
Great guy.
All right, we got another band coming up the road here. What do we got here? This looks like. Let me see if I can make out.
Sounds pretty big up there.
So the Lawrence Chieftains.
Chieftains.
We love the Chieftains.
The Chieftains from Lawrence, Massachusetts, our own Class B state champs, headed up by Larry Selimere.
Larry Selimere.
And look at some of the guys. I see Chucky Fuca. I see Archie Moore. I see Larry Selimere. I see Johnny Selimere. I see Paul Polino. I see all the guys.
Johnny Selimere hasn't aged at all.
He looks great.
He does.
He looks half dead, but he's okay. Hold on. Coming closer.
He didn't mean that.
They sound great.
Don't they?
They do have a nice sound.
Yeah.
Hold on. Here they come.
I like the uniform.
Let's listen in for a minute. That's another drum corps that sounds like a marching band.
Yeah, well, you know, I think
it's amazing these guys.
Yeah, they can
We want to put
interface
on a
with each
show.
other.
We want to put on a show.
Love it. Everybody loves it. All right.
Look at the precision, T. And I love their uniforms.
Yeah.
Looks absolute. I love it. When they're synchronized like this, I could watch this all day long.
No question about that.
And I think the crowd is really getting into it now.
They sound pretty good.
They do.
They selling balloons over there?
I don't recognize that tune either.
There's the popcorn guy.
Across the street, they have balloons over there. Look at the balloons.
Can I get a balloon?
Yes, you can.
Look at there's the popcorn guy. Boy, I haven't seen him in years.
He looks great.
He looks good. How old is he now, Mike? About 130?
I think it's 137, T.
He's put how many kids through college?
7.
4.
Oh, 4.
4 kids.
Yeah.
On popcorn.
All right, there's another. Oh, this isn't a float. There's a bunch of people walking.
Who is it?
Actually, this looks like some of Lawrence's favorite sons.
Yeah.
Look at the dignitaries walking down, waving to the crowd.
Who do we have, T?
You have to
Let's
get the list.
take a look. Leading the pack.
Yes.
Are those binoculars too big for you or what?
Leading the pack.
Yes.
The Honorable John Buckley.
Oh, God. Oh, John.
Look at Mayor Buckley. Let's wave to him. Hey, Mayor, how are you?
Mayor, for how many years?
Looking
Wow,
good, Mayor.
geez.
Looking good.
Fantastic.
How long has he been
Term
mayor?
limit be damned.
That's what you betcha. And don't forget it.
No term limit in the parade.
Right, Billy Manzi?
Who's that behind him? Who's that behind? Dickie Remming. There's Dickie
there's
Remming.
Dick
Alderman
Remming.
Dickie Remming.
Richard
at
Gilmet?
Oh, Richard there, too?
I see Rich.
Yeah.
Mikey, a couple of your buddies there. They're waving to you. Jerry Callaghy and Ralph
Oh,
Wolfendale.
man.
Man,
You played football for them, didn't you?
Absolutely.
Wow.
Whoa.
Ralph's yelling at you, Mike. What's
He's
up,
yelling
what's up with
something.
that?
I don't know.
Yeah.
He
you
was
what.
always yelling at me.
Jerry Callaghy, there's a great coach,
I'll
Mike.
tell you.
There's a great coach.
The best.
Now, Mikey, was he your coach or was Newt Rockney your coach?
No, Coach Callaghy was my coach, and Billy Callaghy, and we had the late Bob Fitzgerald. And we had the whole crew.
Yeah.
And look at this, Louis. There's a couple of they look like baseball personalities from, my God, the T206 collection
God.
of players
Come
and their
on.
stories.
Are they
Turkey
there?
Mike Donlin there?
We've got Wild Bill Donovan.
Wild Bill Donovan.
I don't believe it.
Pitcher.
He's from Lawrence.
Lawrence,
Yeah.
Wild Bill Donovan, former Detroit Tigers manager and almost a Hall of Fame pitcher.
Bruce coached him in Little League.
Thank you.
And then we have Doc Casey.
He's quite a guy.
Now, Doc Casey also was from Lawrence, but quite frankly, he wasn't much of a ball player. But, hey, Doc, don't take it personal. Don't take it personal.
He didn't hear you, I don't think,
Right,
did he?
exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Bob Goulet, last
Bob,
year's parade marshal.
That's right.
Yeah.
Bob
Who
Goulet.
can forget his rendition of Paint Your Wagon on
You know something? I was humming that on the way down here this morning.
Is he going to sing a tune?
Is he going to sing a song here?
No. He's gone up, and his fee is after last
Come
year's
on.
performance.
Forget it.
Is that
His
right?
fee's gone
Too much
bananas.
now.
Forget
Mikey,
about it.
You know, who else? Oh, there's Sister Eleanor Gertrude, Mike.
Oh.
Who?
My 6th grade teacher. I just threw her in.
You had me going there
Was
for a
that
minute. I
Holy
thought,
Sixth
I
grade
thought I
teacher,
missed
she's
one.
got to be like 120.
Wait.
My parade.
Was that Holy Rosie? Holy Rosie?
Holy Rosie, Sister
All
Eleanor Gertrude.
See? Okay.
Who else? Oh, a couple of other dignitaries. Santo Nicolosi.
Oh, yeah.
Nicolosi, hey.
Joe Teresi.
Oh,
Irving Rogers.
no kidding.
All waving to people.
Oh, God.
That's a
What
nice float. That really is. It's very, very attractive.
Yeah. We have another.
Who's this?
What's that?
Anybody else you see,
Somebody
Mike?
jumping over there?
No, I think you covered them all, T.
Really?
You know something? Some of them, they're walking around this float, so it's hard to keep track of.
I know.
Well,
You know.
there's another float coming down the pike, Mike.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, Tommy,
Hold on, see if I can make it
All
out.
these floats.
What is that, Mike?
this is the Bishop's Restaurant float.
Oh, Bishop.
I remember last year's
I
float.
love it. I
Wow,
absolutely
look at
love
that
it.
Could
thing.
they top last year's float?
Well, you know something? I
Any
think they
mushrooms
did.
there?
As it's approaching,
Yeah.
we can hear Arabic music from our vantage point. and we can see a belly dancer dancing.
Crashing. There we go.
Okay, you got okay?
We weren't told this. You know, we weren't told this, Tommy.
What's that?
But yes, I think it is. This is the.
Don't tell me. Is that her?
This is her.
Gloria's back at the sack.
Gloria's back.
Gloria's wonderful.
Gloria's back at the sack.
She's playing on the float, and she's just she looks fantastic. Let's listen to this Arabic music.
Listen, huh?
Look at those hips. Look at the hips.
Mikey, how old is she now?
Right.
She 100.
Didn't she perform at the...
How old, Mike?
About 100.
Yeah, but you know what? With the new hips, she's good as new.
How about the Shea Wynn? Wasn't she there, too?
I don't know about the Shea Wynn,
No?
but she used to play downstairs at Bishop's quite a bit. And she had Sack Club. She was at all of them.
Wow.
This is a 51-foot float, completely adorned with tall purple liatris, mums, and white daisies. Very,
I'm loving it.
Wow.
Bishop's restaurant float is being pulled by Ronnie Valenti's 1959 Mercedes that only has 4,500 miles, original miles on it.
When he drives a parade.
This Mint 59 Mercedes is being powered by a system using Bishop's French fry oil.
All right.
Wow. Now, there's Abe and Joey Bishara waving to the crowd. Now they're looking at us.
There you go.
Wave to them.
Yeah.
And they have tonight's New Year's Eve menu in their hands, Tom.
Look at that flow. What
Guys,
a great restaurant.
I can almost taste the lamb kebabs, the house salad with lemon hummus, the baba ganoush.
Jack Carter was there, too. Jack Carter was
I tell you what, though, Abe, look what he's holding up. He's holding up one of his baked stuffed lobsters also.
Well, you know something? I'm glad you say that, because on this float, I also see a dining room table that is adorned with hollyhock blossoms. Seated at that table, waving to the crowds, we have Senator Wall wearing his black going to a wake suit. Billy Wall, restaurant owner Nick Maloof, and we also see at that table Billy, Kenny, Yvonne, and Tommy and me from the Butcher Boy getting ready to celebrate the New Year's. Holy cow, that has to be, Tommy, the biggest lobster I have ever seen.
It's amazing.
That sucker has to weigh about 28 pounds. Look at those claws.
Wait a second. There's a protest sign right behind the float, Mike.
What is that?
Savastano's restaurant.
What?
How did they get in there?
They weren't on my list. They don't have a float.
As the Bishop's float passes by, we can all smell that delicious food.
Look at that float.
This float is a real crowd pleaser, as you can tell.
I don't know. That one may win it.
Listen to the crowd again. Listen to them.
They're loving the Bishop's float. They're loving the Bishop's float. Abe, take care.
They got a terrific response.
Fantastic. Mikey, I tell you what, great float. Did you ask them to come in?
I did.
Really, really good. Wait a minute. There's a float here that is not on the list. Can you identify?
Guys, you mind if I comment on this one?
Sure.
This is the entry from the Talk Money radio program.
Come on.
Is this your gift?
Yes, exactly.
Wow, look at that.
How did you get the permitting? You got the permit for this thing?
Yes, I did.
Did you call Willie?
Year in the making.
Did you pull strings with Antigua?
We have connections.
Who?
We have connections with the mayor's office.
No kidding.
Yes.
So what you tell us about this float?
Well, listen, this is the replica of the U.S. Treasury building.
Wow.
That's located at 1500 Pennsylvania Avenue, built in 1842. The East Wing, the South Wing was built in 1861, the West Wing in 1864, and the North Wing in 1869, designed by architects including Robert Millis, Alexander Bowman, and Isaiah Rogers. The structure was originally going to be made of paper mache from old newspapers like the Wall Street Journal, right?
Yeah.
But the U.S. Treasury has been printing so much money.
Oh,
It turns out it was cheaper
Is that
to
real
use
cash?
genuine U.S. currency. Exactly. Yeah,
So what is that? What is that they're tossing out? Are they tossing?
Well, look, hovering. You see that helicopter hovering over the top, right? It's hovering over the top. Inside is the pilot Ben Bernanke.
Come on.
How did you get him?
Wow, you really put a lot of thought.
How did you get him?
I didn't get Ben. It's just an act. He's just an act.
I tell you what,
he does a good job though. He looks like Ben. Yeah. And Ben is known as Helicopter Ben.
Helicopter Ben?
Yes,
I didn't
he
know
wrote,
that.
Yes, he wrote a paper that suggested that in order to avoid a depression,
right,
the government should go as far as to just fly a helicopter over the country and just drop money. And just drop money out.
Absolutely.
Right? And so to try to stimulate the Lawrence economy,
See that?
there he is.
I like it.
Ben's throwing out dollar bills.
Look at those people.
Aren't they lucky, huh? Look at those people picking up.
Hey, folks, get off here. Get off.
Wait a second. I see a bunch of bankers running alongside.
There we go.
They're scooping up all the money. We're not going to see any of that.
I'll tell you what, that is one creative float.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No,
that must have cost you an arm and a leg.
Well, like I said, I mean,
and I can't believe you got the permitting to sneak it in so fast. Amazing.
Yeah. We're really proud of it.
We got another float coming down. What is this? This looks like the can't make it out. This is the Wyndham Hotel.
This is the hotel.
Wyndham.
Coming down the street.
What a spot that is.
No, what is this? Coming down the street now is the entire housekeeping staff of the Wyndham Hotel in Andover, leading their float down the street. The float appears to be an empty hotel room, Mikey, with an unmade bed. It's stopping now in front of the reviewing stand.
Oh.
Wait, 6 members of the housekeeping staff, they've jumped over the lovely balcony wall and rushed into the room. They're working on the right side of the bed. 1 pillowcase is removed. 2. Now they're heading over to the left side of the bed.
I think it's a full change.
Yes, it's a full change. Here comes the duvet.
One of the lug nuts is stuck.
The towel is folded into a dog. Amazing.
Wow.
Sunglasses of the dog and mint in the pillow and time.
Time. 11:3.
Wow.
I think that's a new record.
That's a record for them.
Full change in 11.3 seconds.
In the Wyndham restaurant chain, that is an all-time
Who's
record.
that in the bikini? Is that Robin?
I think it is.
Hi, Robin.
Robin, look at that. That's a
Hey.
nice bikini.
Where's Don hiding out?
Don, see Donnie.
Corbisaro. Where is he?
Oh, he's dressed as a chambermaid. There he is. Wow, what a great thing.
That nice.
All right, let's do this. Why don't we take a break?
Original.
And then we're going to come back. It is the second annual New Year's Eve Sicilian Corner Parade. We're at the corner of, we're on Essex Street in front of the W.T. Grant Company. Diagonally near J.B. Sutherland's and down the street from Max and a couple of other ones.
I get some of those cookies from W.G. Grant. They had
That's
great
right.
cookies.
That's right.
Oh,
No question. Hang in there and we'll be right back.
Right back.
Ciao, this is Esther of You, Me, and Sicily. I want to talk to you about Tommy Amin and the great staff at Butcher Boy Market. Families, foodies, and home chefs come together at Butcher Boy to talk good food and create traditions. They offer the best in quality cuts of beef, pork, lamb, poultry, and restaurant-style steaks and chops. Produce? All of their produce is hand-selected to complement any meal or even to make it your main course. Their deli serves fresh roast beef, turkey, and beautiful imported Italian cold cuts, cheeses, and antipasto. And don't forget the Butcher Boy Bakery, featuring sweet delectables from all over the state, as well as their very own bakery. That's Butcher Boy, where the secret to a great steak is, of course, the steak. Located at 1077 Osgood Street in North Andover, Massachusetts, in the Butcher Boy Plaza. Ciao!
This is Tom Zappala. Located in the heart of downtown Haverhill, the Haverhill Beef Company is a full-service, old-fashioned butcher shop and meat market that continues to be a valued family tradition since 1952. Peter and Monica Carboni's Haverhill Beef offers individualized service from an outstanding selection of marinated sirloin tips, homemade sausage, marinated chicken, and thick, juicy Chairman Reserve steaks. Your family deserves the best, so call Peter at 978-374-4795 or visit their website at www.haverhillbeef.com.
Sisters and co-owners Antoinetta and Elisa brought their family authentic Italian recipes from Molise, Italy, and a warm and welcoming dining experience to its customers at Ristorante Molise. The combination of their meals made from natural, homemade, fresh ingredients, and your time with family and friends together at dinner time is unmatched. Located in Market Square in the heart of Amesbury, they're open for dinner Tuesday through Sunday from 3 to 9 p.m. and are available for private parties during off hours. For reservations, call them at 978-388-4844. That's 978-388-4844. Legacy Care Law Firm provides estate planning and elder law services to people in the greater Merrimack Valley and southern New Hampshire areas, with offices in North Andover and Woburn, Massachusetts, as well as Nashua and Salem, New Hampshire. Discussing family and financial matters with an attorney can be intimidating, but our goal is to help you prepare for the future as you preserve your legacy. We help clients qualify for government medical benefits and ensure their estates are preserved for their families so they don't need to worry about their estate being wiped out by high nursing home expenses. Legacy Care Law Firm attorneys are here to support your journey toward a more secure financial future.
At Catadella Funeral Home, we reinvest in our business to provide your family with the best facilities. It begins with a beautifully landscaped exterior, parking for 250 vehicles, and a comfortable and inviting access to our renovated interior. Funerals can be costly, so you should review and compare plans to make sure you receive services that are fairly priced. I invite you to experience the Catadella difference in cost, facility, and service.
Catadella's, honoring and celebrating the lives of the people we loved, providing exceptional care since 1929.
Italian artisan cuisine combines simple, fresh ingredients with time-honored preparation to create an incredible culinary experience. At Tuscan Kitchen, located in Salem's historic Depot District, talented chefs prepare everything in-house from scratch for all to see. Guests enjoy their meal literally in our kitchen as food is prepared right in front of you. Wood ovens burn from morning till night, roasting vegetables, baking bread, and firing delightful thin-crust pizzas. Prime steaks are seared on a wood grill. A rotisserie slowly roasts marinated whole chickens and lamb, while a pasta maker creates fresh fettuccine. More than just artisan cuisine, Tuscan Kitchen features the wine bar, live entertainment, weekly wine tastings, and elegant private dining and event space. Call 603-952-4875 or visit TuscanKitchen.com to make a reservation and learn more about the culinary adventure that awaits. In Italy, cooking is an art form. Tuscan Kitchen. Experience artisan Italian.
Orthopedics Northeast and Essex Orthopedics have joined forces as Mobility Bone and Joint Institute to bring improved access and outstanding medical care. While our name has changed, our dedication to exceptional care remains the same as it has for the past 30 years. Same location, 16 Pelham Road, Salem, New Hampshire.
This is Cindy.
And Mike Kunstler,
Owners and operators of Four Oaks Country Club and Grazie Italian Restaurant in Drake, Massachusetts.
Grazie Italian Restaurant is the hidden gem of the Merrimack Valley.
Why is that?
We have an incredible chef, Oscar Figueroa.
In the words of local famous chef and restaurant owner Lydia Shire,
Oscar thrives on hard work.
He is capable and gifted.
No one makes better food. Scallops, seared to perfection.
House-made ravioli with farm-fresh local corn.
And buttery, tender, lazy man's lobster, just to name a few.
You have to come experience Grazie Italian Restaurant for yourself.
Grazie Italian Restaurant, located at Four Oaks Country Club, 80 Meadow Creek Drive in Drake, Massachusetts. Hope to see you soon.
Second stanza.
Mikey, look at this. Look at this band coming.
Magnificent.
Mikey, who is this?
This is the Oliver School Grammar School.
Oh, my God.
They're so professional looking. Look at that.
This is the Oliver School Band.
And you know who they have out in front? Who? We have a celebrity. Squanto. We've talked about Squanto here in the Sicilian Corner.
Yeah.
He, as most
Listen,
people
they
know.
sing. That's amazing. This band is amazing.
For a grammar school, some of those guys look pretty old. They do. That guy's like 18 years old.
You're all in school.
They are good, though. But, you know, if you practice for 7-8 years, you get to be like
that
this.
That was magnificent right
What
there.
a great band.
That was very,
All right,
very
there's another
special.
float coming down. Hold on, who is this now? Mikey, do me a favor, put the schnapps away. Enough. It's warm. You don't need any more.
Shop, you don't need that.
You know something, today I don't, to be honest with you.
Okay.
But
What do we got? Like, who are
It's
these
New
people?
Year's Eve, and you know something, it's time to celebrate a little bit.
All right.
That's the way I
agree.
look at
I
it.
agree.
Tommy, on this particular float, we have, this is called the Celebrity float. Celebrity float.
Who let
and
them
it's
in?
carrying.
Did you coordinate this?
Yeah. This is something we put together. Almost a year putting this together.
Tell us about it, Mike.
Well, this float is carrying 4 outstanding Lawrence citizens that are being honored today at this year's Sicilian Corner New Year's Eve parade. Our first celebrity, Bruce, you probably remember, and she was a good friend of yours, is Thelma Todd.
Oh, yes. What we used to go to the movies together when you were a kid.
You know, she looks absolutely radiant in her purple cashmere outfit that was created by Lawrence's famous tailor shop.
Yeah, tailor shop, I remember that.
Thelma, as most people know, is a famous Hollywood actress. She appeared in 120 films. She was born right here in Lawrence.
She looks good, Mikey.
Yeah. Most of our parade
Mikey, what year was
guests...
she born?
I'm not really 100% sure. I don't have that in my notes, but we'll talk to her at the end of it. She comes out.
Oh, she does?
Yeah.
Save it for the end. I didn't know that.
She'll chat with us.
Most of our parade guests don't know this, but prior
She
to
does?
her...
I'm getting kind of nervous now.
Wait a minute.
Prior to her winning Miss Massachusetts, which I didn't know she had won, she was model clothing in windows at A.B. Sutherland's.
See that? Right on Essex Street.
That's unbelievable. Thelma has starred with Marx Brothers, Buster Keaton, Jimmy Durante, and unfortunately their schedule did not allow them to be with us today.
Oh, I see.
Why's that, Mike?
Couldn't fly
I
in
don't
there.
know,
Maybe 'cause
Tommy.
they're
They're probably tied up. Thelma is standing on
They're
a
a little
replica.
under the weather.
Thelma is standing on the Hollywood star that is on the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Look at that, look at
The star is made out of beautiful stargazer lilies and has blue king protea flowers along the edges. The flowers have been quick frozen with a spray of liquid nitrogen.
Looks like she was
to maintain
cryogenically frozen also.
their colors. Boy, I'll tell you, this is beautiful. Now, second that I can make
Second
out
person.
is our own friend Johnny Brokaw.
Johnny Brokaw. Wow.
Now, Johnny was born right here in Lawrence on Middle Street.
What a great picture.
And he starred in 4 sports at Lawrence High School. It looks like from here, Johnny is... You know what he's holding up? The Craig Medal.
Really?
You remember what the Craig Medal was?
Look at the crowd. Listen to the crowd. Listen to the crowd cheering for him.
Oh,
listen to this. They love Johnny Brokaw. You know why he's an athlete?
You know something? He's
Look
a
at him
celebrity.
waving. He just threw a baseball somewhere.
Watch out for the bat. What happened there?
Lou, pray tell.
We're having a little logistics problem. Pay no attention to the donkey.
It's all right.
That Craig Medal that he's holding
the
up
crowd back, would you?
was awarded him as outstanding student athlete at Lawrence High School this past year.
Get him out of here, will you?
It was a close contest between the great Henry Solomon and Johnny, but Johnny won the Craig Medal. There does seem to be some booing from the crowd, Tommy, which is quite surprising.
Do we hear booing, Lou?
Yeah.
No,
that's
booing.
Booing, Lou. Starts with a B. It looks like Johnny has taken his coat off, and this is not a good idea.
What's the matter?
He's wearing his Yankees uniform.
Oh, man.
And the people are getting very upset.
Yeah,
with
but you know
this.
something? He did win 16 games for them.
Yeah,
Won
you know, he
16.
did. And he signed that lucrative contract with them. I think, yes, I do. There's Theo Epstein leading the boos. And it looks like Theo is checking the direction of the wind or something as he is holding his finger in the air. I don't get it. Also, someone who has made the city of Lawrence proud is our own poet laureate, Robert Frost.
Bobby Frost.
He looks hot.
He looks really
and
good.
trim, and he's smiling at the crowds that are cheering him.
Now, there's a guy that looks great for his age.
Yeah.
Tommy and Louis, as you know, William Frost wrote his first poem at Lawrence High School in the Laurentian paper.
Now, Brucey was in
his
class with
junior-
him.
He was in his junior year.
I followed him.
Guys, this is quite interesting. Using blue and white, which are the colors of Lawrence High School, we are told that there are 3,000 Oncidium and Dendrobium orchids, spelling out one of Mr. Frost's famous poems.
Is that
he
what
wrote.
we're told?
Mikey, can you run that by us one more time?
Yeah, one more time.
In my notes here,
there
it
was
says that we have 3,000 Oncidium and Dendrobium orchids.
Wow.
Which is spelling out one of Mr. Frost's famous poems that he wrote. Tom, since you're the host of the Sicilian Corner, your binoculars are a little bit bigger than mine. Can I just borrow those for a second? I want to see what this poem has to say.
Snowbound? Oh, no, that wasn't him.
Let's see. Oh, there once was a guy from Woonsocket. Oh my God, we got to move on. We can't go any further on that one. Our fourth celebrity is the one and only Ferdinand Waldo Damara. The great
The great
imposter.
The imposter?
Now,
Look at that. He's dressed as the mayor.
The mayor?
DeMara grew up at 40 Texas Avenue in the Tower Hill section of Lawrence. And listen to the crowd. They love this guy.
Wow, they love that. You know why? They think he's Tony Curtis.
No. You know something, Tommy? I think this guy changes identity more often than you comb your hair.
He operated on my cousin.
Did he really?
Yeah.
Well, it's
Did he
funny you
survive?
say. It's funny.
Yeah.
It's funny you say that, Bruce.
Yes, sir.
Because today, DeMara is a surgical doctor wearing a beautiful set of green doctor scrubs.
Billy Boy,
with
nice.
matching Uggs.
He looks good.
Wow.
He looks good.
I have been told that the scrubs have been created especially by Ralph Lauren, who, as many of you know, is known throughout the world for innovative tailoring. I believe DeMara is getting ready for surgery. What's he have in his hands? Let me see. Oh, he's reading a book, Surgery 101. Just yesterday, he was a Benedictine monk. And the week before that, he was a lawyer defending Robert DeSalvo, the Boston Strangler, who visited Lawrence not too long ago.
That's Robert's brother, Albert.
Albert, right.
Yeah.
The celebrity folk is now moving in front of the reviewing stands. And I'll tell you, everybody absolutely loves this. Listen to the crowd once again.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Great flow. Take care, Bobby boy. All right, what's this? Another float coming down. Looks like this is the Lawrence Clothiers float.
Excuse me?
Wow, check this out. A float built like a giant shoe with representatives of many of the great Lawrence Clothiers in it. What's the first one there? Max.
Max.
Max from Max Men's Shop.
Yep.
Hey, Mac, how you doing? Nice clothes, Mac.
Yeah.
Real nice.
McCartney there and all?
Dukes.
Oh, Dukes.
Is Dukes?
How about McCartney?
Let's see. McCartney's?
Lennon.
McCartney's?
No. Right.
Gentry's?
Gentry.
Sam Gentry.
Yeah,
Sam?
that's beautiful.
Let's see, who else? Erlington's?
Oh, Erlington, yes. Of course.
Tom McCann.
Oh, yeah.
They were there.
Oh, yeah, Tom McCann, there they are. Yeah. Gialongo Shoe Company.
Gialongo.
Let's see who else we got here.
Anybody from Greco Brothers?
Deb's Den. No, I don't see them yet. Deb's Den. Deb's Den.
Okay. Deb's.
A.B. Sutherland.
Oh, A.B. Sutherland.
Cherry and Webb.
Love it.
They're all there. Look at this. That float looks like a wingtip shoe, very conservative, oxblood color.
Love it.
They're tossing out handkerchiefs to the crowd.
Handkerchiefs.
Mike, you know, of those, what's your favorite of those of that crew? What's your favorite clothes? Where do you buy your clothes?
Caps.
You go to Caps.
Yeah.
Caps.
I've always liked Caps.
And you get a haircut there, too.
That's right.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact,
Frank Serrano was there for many years.
And I see Kevin Moriarty.
Hey,
Kevin Moriarty is from Caps.
Yes.
And actually, Kevin's folks also own Moorings.
That's right.
They own Moorings.
And he was in charge of the tuxedos, I think, there.
That's right.
Yeah.
What a nice-looking man.
Kevin, nice to see
He's
you.
a nice-looking
Looks
guy.
really,
Kevin.
really
Haven't
good.
changed at all.
Is that Connie Francis marching in the parade?
Oh, come on. Did you get a voice back?
Mikey, how did you fly her
I
in?
wanted to surprise you. You guys break my chops all
What
during the
happened?
year.
What?
And you know something? A lot of people
Hold on,
love
Mike.
this
Oh,
one.
she only did half the song. Okay.
Will she shut up?
All right, listen, it looks like there's another band. I repeat, it looks like there's another band coming down.
There is?
I believe you're right.
I can see it.
Hold on, who is
I
this?
can hear it.
Let's see. I can't pick.
Holy Rosary.
It's green.
Come on. Is that
It's
Holy
white.
Rosary?
The Holy Rosary School Marching Band,
look at that.
led by my sister Anna in the Green Berets.
Isn't George Stella there,
Look
too?
at that. Yes, Georgie Stella, sister Ann Ellen.
Yeah.
Let's listen for a moment. I'll tell you what, look at those nuns. Those nuns leading the charge with the Holy Rosary
They
Band.
could really play those drums.
Look at John Tomaselli. What guy looks like me playing the snare there, doesn't he?
The what?
Looks like me playing the snare drum.
Is that what that
He
is? The
looks
snare
like
drum?
Yeah, looks like.
And my wife, Lenora, she was a cheerleader.
I didn't
Holy
know that.
Rosary. Of course, Holy Rosary, yes.
Look at
I
that.
didn't know
Louis
that.
Nicocha playing the bass drum. Looks good. Good band. I tell you what, those kids look pretty. They play pretty well for 8 and 9 years old.
Yeah.
They really do.
Yeah.
All
Excellent.
right, we got another. Oh, here's a familiar bunch of guys walking down the street.
Who are they? Come on.
This is the gang from Finno's Pool Room.
Oh, Finno's Pool
Marching
Room.
in unison.
Wow.
Wow.
Hey, Rocco.
Hold on. Can you believe that they're all stepping the
I
same
hear
way?
gunfire.
Mikey, they're all. Look at how in unison they are stepping. Oh, it's the ankle irons.
Guido.
Right behind them. Look at that. Right behind the Finno's gang is the Ritzy Diner Food
Ritzy.
Wagon.
How could you not miss Ritzy?
Giving out free English muffins and coffee.
After Mass.
And English muffin. And look at this. The nuns are behind them.
That's right.
From Holy Rosary, looking for people who have skipped school and church to go to Ritzy's.
Ritzy's, yeah.
Look at that. Let's wave to all of them.
Oh, yeah. There's some familiar faces up there.
Oh, look at that gang. Look at you got the Ritzy's gang, you got the Finno's gang, you got the Ritzy's gang, and you got the nuns from Holy Rosary.
You got two Ritzy's gangs up there, do you?
Two, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Absolutely.
Juniors and seniors.
Of course. Looks like there's another float coming, Mikey.
That's it, man.
Looks like there's another float coming, Mikey.
Give me your binoculars so I can see it, Tommy.
It looks like the right way float, Mikey.
Oh,
The right way travel.
There they are. Listen to that, would you? Looks like a ship coming.
Right,
Look
Mike?
at this. There's a whole string of buses
Mike
rolling.
must have digressed for a while. You looking at the crowd, were you?
You know something? There's somebody I haven't seen in a long, long time.
Who's that, Joe Boren?
No.
Well, I saw Joe Boren a little while
Was that
ago.
before or
He was
after
running.
he beat
He
the
was
hell
running
out of
along
you?
the sidewalk.
Was that before or after he beat you up?
On that note.
But you digress. Look at this, Tommy. There's a whole string of buses rolling down the street from Right Way Travel.
Oh, look at
They're pulling up in front of the reviewing stand and opening the doors. And wait a minute.
What?
People from the crowd are getting on the buses.
Where they going?
Look, Ned Leone. He's getting on the bus
Ned.
heading up to Montreal.
Look at that, huh?
I
New
think
Year's
that's
Eve in
Fran.
Montreal. Very nice.
I think that Fran Pickles is getting on the bus to Foxwood.
Francis,
No
oh.
surprise there. No surprise there. Oh, wait a second. That's my wife, Lucille. Lucille, you're supposed to be rooting us on.
Hey, Lucy.
Hey, Joe Siscano has just come out on the street, and she's got a flare gun up in the air.
Look at that, will you?
I think this could be it. Yes, here comes the Right Ways Travel 747 for its annual flyover.
Look at
Louis,
Oh my God, that was unbelievable.
Louis, how does that thing get down Essex Street?
The
Easy.
best thing is he did it inverted this year.
Yeah, we're gonna have trouble because we
This
don't
was-
have permitting for an inverted flyover.
Again, I go back to what I said earlier. Can you see the controller at the Lawrence Airport figuring this one out? Look at
And it's
that.
coming around again.
Here he comes.
Whoa, look at that. That's whoa.
Is Joe Toscano riding with him?
Yeah, she's on the back.
The husband.
Joe,
This
see,
Joe.
is that him? Is the pilot?
He's co-pilot.
And his Snoopy is next to him, right?
Snoopy.
Right. Wow.
Exactly.
The right way travel. Louis, I tell you what, here come those elephants and tigers
God, look
that have
at
been staying in your yard. Look at that.
Are they big or what?
Louis, now how did you keep those? How many elephants?
I kept them in the pool.
Oh, wait a second. Let's do that. Can we do that elephant sound
Why
one
does
more
the
time?
elephant sound like a cow?
Well, all the animals are together.
Oh.
One more. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, yeah.
Everything
The
but.
Lone Ranger.
Hey, you got one more shot, Lou. Give it. Make it a three-peat.
There you go. Look at that.
I think Louis finally lost composure.
Well, the dogs are keeping them quiet.
Wait a minute.
There you go. There you go. Look at
Yeah,
that.
those elephants really sound good.
And look at the guys behind them picking up stuff. See that? Look at
I've
that.
never seen so many animals
Yeah.
in one place.
I think the elephants have laryngitis.
There we go.
Oh, that's,
There you
Remember,
go.
elephants on the order list.
Louis, how did you keep all of those animals in your yard?
Isn't that amazing?
I didn't. I kept them in the pool.
In the pool.
In the pool. I've been cleaning that pool all week.
It looks like we're going to be coming up to the intermission in a couple of minutes.
Oh, yeah?
So far, this has been a really, really good parade.
Excellent.
I tell you what, that's
The people are enjoying it.
I
You know
tell
something?
what,
It's free.
This popcorn guy is making a killing. He's
The peanut
making a
guy,
killing.
too.
Mr. Peanut, but Mr. Peanut is supposed to be giving out. He's supposed to be giving out free peanuts. He's
Well,
selling them.
That's okay.
He's selling the peanuts.
He's not selling them. He's throwing
Yeah.
bags of peanuts to the kids.
Oh, all right.
If the adults want them, they're paying.
And
for
then
them.
you got Louis Pearl. Louis Pearl's on the street
Popcorn.
hawking stuff.
You got the popcorn man.
He's
Love
hawking stuff. I'll tell you what, though, this is a great crowd.
You know, it was nice seeing that theater float. It really is. You know, it just was. I mean, think about the theaters that were in this city at one time. I mean, to make Ripley's, believe it or not, that's unbelievable.
This crowd that seems to be having, everybody seems to be having a good time.
You know, since we've been on the air, I'll bet you 10,000 people showed up.
At least.
It's Frank and Corp. Hey, Frank and Corp.
Frank and Dottie.
Frank and Corp.
Frank
and Corp. How they doing? Here's Cappy. Here's Cap. Let's do this. We're going to take a little news break.
Okay.
And then we'll come back. We've got some more parade stuff for you.
Ray the Fury coming too?
Oh, Ray's, I just got a text from him that he's not in the parade. I said,
No, it's not that.
We
made reference to the kids at the Oliver School being a little bit older than most, like 18, 19 years old, going to grammar school, and Ray's taking offense to that.
All right, stick around.
He's got his fist up in the air. I don't know.
We got some news headlines, and then we're going to come back and finish up with the Sicilian Corner New Year's Day Parade.
We have to make arrangements to get back to the studio.
Oh, yeah, we will.
We got the Milo helicopter.
La 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 la,